Career and Technical Education, or CTE, is where we connect what's happening in the classroom with real-world experiences.
It's kind of opened my eyes to what I want to do.
Gave me a good idea of what I like.
This classroom's kind of a fun environment to be in.
The departments within CTE are Agriscience and Natural Resources, Business and Marketing, Computer Science, Family Consumer Science, and Technology and Engineering Education.
Students can get started with CTE as young as 7th grade. It entails a year-long exploration of all the CTE classes that are offered.
So it's a really comfortable way for students to just kind of dip their toes into what may be offered in some of those different departments.
They're using their hands and their brains a lot.
I just really like problem solving, and I think that's like really important no matter what career I choose.
We got to race CO2 dragsters on a 60-foot track.
You get to make maglev vehicles and you get to race those. There's a lot of racing.
Because then it's a really hands-on environment and just fun.
You're going to be taking apart a computer and rebuilding it.
Students love to have hands-on, minds-on classes. They love to be active.
It's definitely more hands-on, which is how I learn best, so I really enjoy that.
And we talk about plants, soil, animals, natural resources, and food.
One of my favorite things in the class is probably all the animals, like how we get hands-on with them.
We teach them how to manage their finances, how to do their taxes, also how to understand insurance.
This is stuff that you're actually going to use in like the real world. It's still good getting the skills that you get from this class to put forward after high school.
You're going to be using industry standard tools to go ahead and create the projects that are going to prepare you for the future.
Here at SPASH, we offer many CTE classes, and a lot connect to some of our student organizations. One is FCCLA, really important one that helps students learn some leadership skills, practice those at a high level, even participate in some community organization events.
The community is definitely invested in this program.
Our goal with CTE is to connect what's happening in the classroom and transform it into maybe a launch pad for different career paths.
A lot of our classes do have dual enrollment, and that basically means that they're able to take a class at SPASH, but also earn credit towards their college career.
Now you're earning college credit without having to pay for it. Life is good.
They could come out with an associate's degree when they graduate. It's possible at a very minimal cost, which is really cool. It's a great way for them to get a jump start on their career.
We take what's happening in the classroom and connect it with hands-on projects that really develop and prepare our students for 21st century skills and careers.
You'll learn a lot about what you might be interested in. You might learn a lot about yourself, and it gets you exposed to lots of different things.
Actually, it can be really fun.
It's really great to have the opportunity to experiment.
Guided me in a way where I couldn't have possibly guided myself. I think it really helps like prepare you for the future.
It's something new every day, and you actually get to eat the food. It's just really fun.
Our CTE programming is all about being able to try something new. We really want them to just be able to experience something, take a little bit of a risk, and if it doesn't work out, that's fine. But a lot of students really find something that they're passionate about and they connect to a future career.
Choose one, choose many. They're great ways for you to learn about everything in the world. Take this now, enjoy it, see what you really like, where your passion lies.